और ये लोग लोकतंत्र को कुचलने का काम कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम बात कर रहे हैं।
So, to save democracy, opposition should put their opinion, their thoughts, everything in the house. At the same time, treasury benches is also having their own right to defy your thinking. They have right to answer to your questions. They have right to answer to your opinions. They have every right to express their own opinions also.
Nehru ji, most democratic man. Not these people. These people are only criticizing Nehru ji. Indira Gandhi, they are misusing their power. They are misusing their authority.
In this house that has not happened. Even the president's address, Nehru ji has been praised. You might have noticed it. Now I ask.
No.
Now I ask.
We don't want to listen of
Parliamentary Affairs. Yes.
आपको लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन को इज्जत देकर के चेयरमैन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आपको बुलाने दिया है। मैंने पहले भी कहा ये सदन आपको और हमारा मर्जी से नहीं चलेगा, नियम से चलेगा। और ये वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, that is what I'm saying. He has taken the time again and again. This house belongs to everyone. You can't take all the space all the time. Sir, नंबर 1 खड़गे जी ने मिसलीड किया इस सदन में। खुद बोलते हैं कि ये लीडर ऑफ द एल्डर्स माना जाता है। यू मिसलेड द हाउस। आपने बोला कि वहां लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन लोकसभा को बोलने नहीं दिया, ये आपने मिसलीड किया। उसको 40 मिनट्स तक 40 मिनट तक उसको स्पीकर ने टाइम दिया। वो रूल से बाहर बार बार बोल रहे हैं, स्पीकर का रूलिंग का बात भी नहीं मानते हुए वो फिर रूल ब्रेक कर रहे हैं। और आप यहाँ मिसलीड करते हैं कि राहुल गांधी को बोलने नहीं दिया। आप ये मिसलीड। नंबर 1
मिनिस्टर सर, प्लीज वाइंड अप, प्लीज वाइंड अप।
Number 2, leader of opposition said that if Lok Sabha doesn't function, how can Rajya Sabha function? He also said that both the houses run together, which is absolutely wrong. If leader of opposition can show me one rule, that if Lok Sabha gets adjourned, Rajya Sabha should be automatically adjourned. Show me the rule. These two houses may constitute together for the concept of parliament, but the functioning of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are different. They are guided by different rules, and there's no precedent that if one house gets adjourned, the other house should also get adjourned. There's no such tradition, no such rule. Out of blue, suddenly today, why Congress party has taken up this issue of what is going on in Lok Sabha? We have allowed you to speak. After speaking all your time, you want to disturb Honorable Prime Minister. What tactics is this? We condemn these tactics of leader of opposition.
Now, Honorable Finance Minister, please.
Sir.
Hey, I am coming. I will give you everybody time. Can I give time to everyone together? Then please take your seat.
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I respect the leader of the opposition, but I heard him say something that you people lynch. I'm sorry. I want that word removed. Honorable opposition leader is not right in commenting like this. One. And second, if he's talking on lynching, let me remind him that in Rajasthan, when Congress party was in ruling, based on some comment which one of our BJP lady spokesperson said, there was a lynching of a tailor and no action was taken. Nupur Sharma's comments on the TV, you lynched in your government. Lynching happened in Rajasthan. Even more, sir, one more. In Kerala, during Congress rule, the hands of a teacher, Father Joseph, was chopped off. What action did Congress party take in Kerala? Father Joseph, both the hands were chopped off. And that was Congress government. In Rajasthan, based on a comment made by Nupur Sharma, our spokesperson on the television, their government into a dam somebody went and shot top, lynched the tailor.
Finance
Is
Minister,
he talking
please,
about lynching?
please,
Is
wind
Leader
up.
of the Opposition
Please,
talking
please,
about
please,
lynching?
please
Is
wind
that
up.
correct?
Please wind
Rajasthan
up.
and Kerala first.
Please wind up. Please wind up. Now. I'll take your seat. I am calling you. Please. I have to come one by one only. Already you have taken the 30 minutes of the individual members. There is no matters raised with permission is taking place. You please take. You please take your seat. You please take your seat. Let Bhuttaji, unless you are taking your seat, I am not going to ask anybody to speak. What is this? 10 people can speak together. You please. I have already given you sufficient time for our honorable leader of opposition. Now, Tiruchi Shivaji.
Sir, just two things, sir. One is Rule 238(3).
1 minute.
First issue, sir, second one. First is use offensive expression about the conduct or proceedings of the houses or any state legislature. Sir, the leader of opposition, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, has not mentioned any defaming of the other house, sir. Number one. Number two, your predecessor, earlier when there was an issue was discussed which was under sub judice. We quoted Rule 238. He said, anything under the sky can be discussed on the floor of the Council of States. That ruling still stays, sir. Unless it is overruled, that rule still says, so we can discuss anything, sir. Thank you.
No, what he said, I have given my ruling already. What Jawaharlal Nehru ji has said, that has been quoted by me, and again, you are raising the same point. You please, 1 minute, I am coming to you. Please, yes.
The House shouldn't be responses between that side and this side. We are also part of this House, sir.
Yes.
So please look at us also sometime.
No, you are getting now.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
I cannot allow everybody to talk.
Thank you very much.
For that I am sitting
Sir,
here.
thank you very much for your graciousness, your benevolence, sir. Sir, as Kharge said, Parliament comprises of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Honorable President. That's very important. These three institutions are part of this Parliament. Sir,
But every house has its own duty to do now. Is it not?
Sir, let me just
Please,
say, sir.
continue.
Though the president was kept away when it was inaugurated and when it was foundation law. Anyway, my point is simple, sir. Sir, for a parliamentary democracy, institution of the opposition leader is very important. Just as we respect the institution of Prime Minister, please do respect the institution of the opposition leader.
So,
My submission to you only, sir. Sir, you don't need to give a ruling. You just request them to allow the LOP of Lok Sabha to speak there.
No, one minute.
Yeah.
First, you have to ask them to sit in their seat when LOP is speaking. You do that. When a leader of the opposition is speaking, all his members were around him. What is this?
Yeah.
You are not. You have to see that side also. I am asking them to sit. They are sitting. When I am asking your people to go to their seat, they are not going. What I have to do? You tell me. See, each house is independent in its functioning. That is the ruling, that is the thing that has been followed for many decades. That will be followed. Now I call Sriman Baburam Nisad ji. 1 minute, please.
कहा तो हम सिर्फ ये कहना चाहते हैं कि हमारी तरफ से पूरा सम्मान किया जाता है। सर, नेता सदन ने यदि अबोध शब्द का प्रयोग किया है तो बोध का अर्थ होता है ज्ञान। इसमें अप्रत्यय